Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout, and today Samsung started rolling out the next update for Galaxy devices. Galaxy S24 series, the Fold 6 just got it, so the Flip 6 should get it as well. Update comes in at 440.38 megabytes on my Fold 6 here with the October 1st security patch. So it looks like we do have a couple fixes and stuff like that in here. We'll check it out after it's installed. But just want to let you guys know that Samsung is rolling this out now to most devices here in the US. This is an unlocked Fold 6. And I know the S24 series has started to get it as well. So make sure you check your updates. There are, like some improvements in this, as well as that new security patch version for October. Like I said, S24 and the Fold 5, Fold 6, and the Flip 5 and 6 should get it as well. So let me know if you guys find anything new in there that is worth mentioning, but that is the update right now. It is October 10th, and it just started rolling out to my device. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.